Have you ever wondered how our lives could change if we had the power to create intelligent machines that could think, learn, and evolve on their own? Allow me to introduce you to the fascinating world of artificial generative intelligence, or AGI for short. This is not just any form of artificial intelligence, but one that has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Imagine a world where machines aren't just performing tasks, but are also thinking, learning, and evolving. That's the promise of AGI. It's like stepping into a new era, where the line between human intelligence and machine intelligence is blurred. So what sets AGI apart from traditional AI? Well, traditional AI is designed to perform a single task, and it does that task extremely well. But when it comes to anything outside of its programming, it falls short. It's like a world-class pianist who can play a Mozart concerto flawlessly, but can't tie their shoes. AGI, on the other hand, is like a child. It starts with no preconceived notions, learns from its experiences, and gradually masters various skills. It's not programmed to perform a specific task, but rather, it learns how to perform tasks through experience. Think about the implications. AGI could help us solve complex problems that are beyond our understanding. It could revolutionize every industry, from healthcare to transportation, entertainment to education. But it's not all rosy. AGI raises important ethical and societal questions. How do we ensure that AGI benefits everyone and not just a select few? How do we prevent it from being used for harmful purposes? And perhaps most importantly, how do we ensure that AGI respects our values and our rights? These are complex questions, and the answers aren't simple. But one thing is clear: AGI has the potential to transform our world in ways we can barely imagine. Whether we're ready or not, the era of AGI is upon us. Let's take a moment to understand the science that powers these incredible machines. At the heart of artificial generative intelligence is machine learning, a branch of AI that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to recognize a cat by showing them multiple pictures of cats. The child doesn't need a detailed description of what a cat is. They learn from the examples they're given. Similarly, machine learning algorithms, through a process called training, learn patterns from data and use these patterns to make predictions or decisions. Central to this learning process are neural networks, a key component of AGI. These are computational models inspired by the human brain's structure, consisting of interconnected layers of nodes or neurons. The deep in deep learning, another buzzword you might have heard, refers to the number of layers in these networks. The more layers, the deeper the network, and the more complex patterns it can learn. Among the most common algorithms used in AGI are reinforcement learning and deep learning. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a dog new tricks. The dog performs an action, and if it's the right one, it gets a reward. Over time, the dog learns to associate the action with the reward, and it becomes more likely to perform the action in the future. In a similar vein, AGI systems use reinforcement learning to learn from trial and error, gradually improving their performance through positive feedback. Deep learning, on the other hand, is used for tasks that involve unstructured data, like images, audio, or text. It's what allows AGI systems to understand human language, recognize objects in images, or even generate music. But learning is not a one-time process. AGI systems learn and adapt over time, constantly refining their understanding and improving their performance. For instance, GPT-3, a state-of-the-art AGI model, was trained on hundreds of gigabytes of text data, learning to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence. Understanding the science behind AGI helps us appreciate its potential and the challenges we face in harnessing it. It's a glimpse into a future where machines don't just do tasks, but think, learn, and evolve. Imagine waking up to a world where your personal assistant not only understands your preferences, but also predicts and adapts to your changing needs. This is not the realm of science fiction anymore. Artificial generative intelligence, or AGI, is making it a reality. Take, for instance, OpenAI's GPT-3, an AGI-powered personal assistant changing game by learning from the vast sea of data it's fed, understanding context, and generating human-like text. It's not just about writing. GPT-3 can engage in a conversation, answer queries, and provide recommendations based on our preferences. However, it's also crucial to consider the environmental impact of such technologies. Data centers powering AGIs consume massive amounts of energy, contributing to carbon emissions. In response, owner companies are making strides in sustainable practices. implementing energy-efficient data, and committing to renewable energy sources. They aim to reduce their carbon footprint and lead the tech industry in combating climate change. The influence of AGI extends far beyond personal assistance, revolutionizing various sectors. In healthcare, it's predicting health risks, assisting in disease diagnosis, and suggesting personalized treatment plans. In education, it's transforming the learning process by adapting to a student's learning style and simulating one-on-one tutoring sessions. In agriculture, AGI is becoming a game changer, analyzing vast amounts of data to predict weather patterns, optimize crop yields, and manage resources efficiently. This technological advancement is helping farmers make informed decisions, increasing productivity and minimizing waste. In transportation, AGI drives the future with self-driving technology. In all these sectors, the environmental impact is being scrutinized. Companies are looking for ways to make their AGI applications more energy efficient and less dependent on fossil fuels. A significant part of their efforts goes into research and development to optimize algorithms and reduce energy consumption. The potential of AGI to enhance our daily lives is immense, but it doesn't stop there. As we harness the power of AGI, we must also prioritize to ensure that the technology we create today does not harm our planet's future. Let's delve deeper into the potential of two revolutionary AGI technologies, GPT-4 and Llama. GPT-4, an advanced version of the AI that powers your personal assistant, is a game changer. This AGI technology possesses enhanced capabilities in understanding context and generating human-like text. Imagine a world where you can have a deep, meaningful conversation with your AI assistant about the latest scientific breakthroughs, or where you can collaborate with it to create a piece of art or write a novel. GPT-4 is not just an AI, it's a creative partner that learns and evolves with you. On the other hand, we have Llama, another AGI marvel. Llama is a language model that learns to answer questions about the contents of documents. Imagine a world where you can ask your AI to read through thousands of pages of research papers and summarize the most important findings for you. Or a world where your AI can sift through mountains of data to find the exact piece of information you need. Llama can revolutionize research, data analysis, and information retrieval, saving you countless hours and allowing you to focus on what matters most. The advancements in AGI technologies like GPT-4 and Llama are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, transforming the way we interact with information and the world around us. With these technologies, we are not just automating tasks, but revolutionizing the way we learn, create, and innovate. As we venture further into the era of AGI, we can look forward to even more groundbreaking technologies that will continue to shape our world. The power of AGI doesn't limit itself to our homes. It's making waves in the corporate world too. The transformative impact of artificial generative intelligence in business and industry is nothing short of revolutionary. Let's dive into some real-world examples to illustrate this. Take, for instance, DeepMind's AlphaGo. This AGI-driven system was designed to play the ancient board game Go, a game so complex that it's said to have more possible moves than atoms in the universe. AlphaGo didn't just learn to play the game, it mastered it, defeating a world champion Go player in a 5-game match. This was a monumental achievement in the field of AGI. But what's even more fascinating is how this technology is being repurposed for business applications. DeepMind is now using the same AGI that powered AlphaGo to help companies optimize complex logistics and supply chain problems. By simulating millions of scenarios and learning from each one, AGI can predict outcomes and make recommendations that humans simply couldn't conceive. This is boosting productivity, cutting costs, and driving growth in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Beyond logistics and supply chains, AGI is enhancing customer experiences too. Companies are using AGI to create personalized shopping experiences, predicting what customers want before they even know it themselves. This isn't just about selling more products. It's about building stronger relationships with customers and delivering exceptional service. But the potential of AGI extends even further. It's driving innovation across industries, from healthcare to finance, from manufacturing to entertainment. In these sectors, AGI is being used to solve complex problems, predict trends, and create new possibilities. So, you see, the impact of AGI in the corporate world is profound and pervasive. It's not just about automating tasks or crunching numbers faster. It's about harnessing the power of machine learning to think in new ways, to see new connections, and to imagine new possibilities. With AGI, businesses are not just streamlining their operations, they're redefining them. AGI is transforming the business landscape, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. The future of business is intelligent, innovative, and incredibly exciting. With great power comes great responsibility, and AGI is no exception. As we delve into the ethical considerations of artificial generative intelligence, it's clear that our technological advancements are not without their potential pitfalls. We must grapple with the challenges that AGI presents and take a proactive stance in addressing them. One of the most prominent concerns is job displacement. As AGI continues to evolve, it's becoming more adept at tasks that were once solely the domain of humans. From manufacturing to customer service, the fear is that machines may replace human workers, leading to unemployment and social instability. We need to consider how we can balance technological progress with job security and economic stability. Another critical issue is privacy. With AGI's ability to analyze and understand vast amounts of data, there's a risk of misuse. Without appropriate safeguards, AGI could potentially be used to monitor individuals, infringe on privacy rights, or even manipulate behaviors. It's essential that we establish clear guidelines to protect individual privacy and ensure that AGI is used in a manner that respects human rights. Regulation is another important consideration. Currently, the world of AGI is somewhat like the Wild West, largely unregulated and rapidly advancing. There's an urgent need for a comprehensive regulatory framework to ensure that AGI development and use are conducted responsibly. This involves creating clear standards, defining ethical guidelines, and establishing enforcement mechanisms for violations. Finally, we must consider the moral implications of AGI. As machines become more intelligent and autonomous, questions arise about their moral and legal status. Should AGI systems have rights? If they make a mistake, who is responsible? These are questions we must confront as we continue to push the boundaries of what machines can do. While AGI holds immense potential, it's crucial that we navigate its growth responsibly. We have a duty to ensure that the benefits of AGI are realized while minimizing its risks. It's not just about harnessing the power of AGI, but about guiding its development in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. So, what does the future hold for AGI? As we stand on the brink of the AGI revolution, it's time to gaze into the crystal ball of possibilities. The future of artificial generative intelligence is not only exciting, but also opens up a universe of potential that we are only beginning to fathom. Let's begin with climate change, arguably one of the most pressing issues of our time. Imagine AGI systems capable of processing massive amounts of climate data, predicting weather patterns with unprecedented accuracy, and devising innovative solutions to reduce our carbon footprint. These intelligent machines could potentially orchestrate a global response to climate change, helping us to preserve our planet for future generations. Now, let's venture beyond our world, into the realm of space exploration. The unforgiving conditions of space make it a challenging domain for humans. But for AGI, these conditions present no obstacle. With AGI, we could revolutionize our approach to exploring the cosmos. Machines capable of learning, reasoning, and decision-making could undertake missions too dangerous or distant for humans, uncovering the secrets of the universe and perhaps even finding signs of extraterrestrial life. But that's not all. The potential applications of AGI are as diverse as they are profound. From revolutionizing healthcare with personalized medicine to transforming the way we learn with AI-powered education, the future of AGI is a canvas waiting to be painted with the colors of human ingenuity. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As we navigate the uncharted waters of AGI, we must also grapple with important ethical questions. How do we ensure that AGI benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few? How do we prevent misuse of this powerful technology? These are questions we must address as we forge ahead into the future. As we continue to unlock the potential of AGI, one thing is clear: the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. From our previous discussion, we've seen how AGI can drive the future. Now, let's delve deeper into how AGI can revolutionize environmental engineering and combat climate change. One of the most promising applications of AGI lies in predictive modeling. Given its capacity to analyze vast amounts of data, AGI can be used to predict climate patterns and anticipate natural disasters. This could enable us to better prepare for such events, minimizing their impact on communities and ecosystems. Imagine being able to predict the path of a hurricane or the intensity of a drought with unparalleled accuracy. That's the power of AGI. But that's not all. AGI could also revolutionize resource management. By optimizing the use of natural resources, AGI could help us reduce waste and promote sustainability. Consider a world where water, one of our most precious resources, is used with utmost efficiency, where energy consumption is optimized to reduce waste. That's the future AGI could help us build. Lastly, let's explore how AGI could help develop advanced carbon capture and storage technologies. These technologies are crucial in our fight against climate change, as they allow us to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. With AGI, we could accelerate the development of these technologies, making them more efficient and cost-effective. Imagine machines that can inhale CO2 from the atmosphere and exhale clean air. That's the potential of AGI in environmental engineering. With AGI, we have a powerful tool to tackle the pressing environmental challenges of our time. As we continue to harness the power of AGI, we could make significant strides towards a more sustainable and resilient world. The future is not just about creating intelligent machines, but about using these machines to create a better future for all of us. Moving on from environmental engineering, let's explore another dimension of AGI's impact: its role in making our world safer. From crime reduction to forensic science and even military research, AGI's predictive capabilities and data analysis can transform these sectors. First, let's talk about crime reduction. Imagine a world where potential crime hotspots are identified before crimes even occur. Using predictive analytics, AGI can analyze data from various sources, identify patterns, and predict areas with high potential for criminal activity. This could enable law enforcement agencies to intervene proactively, potentially preventing crimes before they happen. Next, we delve into the world of forensic science. In a crime scene, every minute detail matters. AGI can assist in analyzing complex forensic data, speeding up investigations, and helping to solve cases more efficiently. By processing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AGI can uncover critical insights that might be missed by human analysts. Now let's turn to military research. In the hands of responsible actors, AGI is being used to develop advanced defense systems and strategies, enhancing our national security. From predicting potential threats to optimizing defense strategies, AGI can provide a strategic edge in maintaining peace and security. Finally, we shouldn't overlook AGI's potential in peacebuilding. By analyzing and predicting conflict patterns, AGI can help in developing effective strategies for peacebuilding and conflict resolution. This could potentially prevent conflicts and save countless lives. While AGI's role in these areas raises important ethical and regulatory questions, its potential to contribute to a safer and more peaceful world is undeniable. As we move forward, it's crucial to ensure that we harness AGI's potential responsibly and ethically, always keeping the well-being of humanity at the forefront. Having explored AGI's role in sectors from environmental engineering to crime reduction, let's now turn our attention to an often overlooked impact of AGI: its influence on policy frameworks and social demographics. AGI is not just transforming technology, it's shaping societies and governments worldwide. Governments around the world are beginning to recognize the potential and the challenges of AGI. They are developing policies to promote its responsible use, mitigate its risks, and ensure that its benefits are shared equitably. These policies cover a broad range of areas, from data privacy and security to ethical guidelines and regulatory oversight. The goal is to foster an environment where AGI can thrive, while also protecting the rights and interests of individuals and communities. But AGI's impact goes beyond policy. It's also shaping social demographics, with the potential to bridge the digital divide and promote equality. By providing access to information and services to all, regardless of their social or economic status, AGI can help to level the playing field and create a more inclusive digital society. And let's not forget about education. AGI can revolutionize the way we learn, providing personalized learning experiences that adapt to each student's needs. This can make quality education accessible to all, opening up new opportunities for learning and growth. As we continue to harness the power of AGI, we can look forward to a future where technology drives not just economic prosperity, but also social equality and educational awakening. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey is just beginning. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, a symphony of innovations is set to redefine our future. This is a future where the power of quantum computing, AGI, robotics, and Industry 4.0 come together to create a harmonious blend of advancements that will transform every aspect of our lives. Quantum computing, with its power to process complex data at unprecedented speeds, opens up new possibilities in fields like cryptography, optimization, and simulation. This technology, combined with the cognitive capabilities of AGI, will redefine problem-solving and decision-making processes across industries. AGI, with its ability to learn, adapt, and evolve, promises to transform every aspect of our lives. From revolutionizing healthcare with personalized treatment plans to democratizing education with adaptive learning experiences, AGI is set to be a game changer. Robotics, with its potential to automate tasks, enhance productivity, and even explore uncharted territories like deep sea and space, is another key player in this symphony. When combined with AGI, robotics can achieve new levels of efficiency and precision. And finally, we have Industry 4.0, the fusion of physical and digital technologies. This revolution is set to transform manufacturing and supply chain management, making it more efficient, transparent, and responsive to customer needs. As these technologies work in coherence, they promise a future of unprecedented innovation and progress. The symphony of innovations is set to play a beautiful melody of a future that's bright and promising. But it's not just about the technology, it's about how we use it to create a better world for all. As we continue to explore the potential of AGI and other technologies, let's ensure that they serve the interests of humanity, promoting equality, inclusivity, and sustainable development. Let's delve deeper into the intricate world of AGI by exploring how different types of AGI communicate and learn from each other, leading to a phenomenon known as the wisdom of crowds. Imagine a network of AGI systems, each with its own unique set of experiences and knowledge. These systems can communicate, sharing information in a way that's similar to how humans exchange ideas and learn from each other. This process forms the basis of coherence learning, a concept that's integral to the development and advancement of AGI. Coherence learning involves the exchange of knowledge and experiences among AGI systems. It's like a classroom where every AGI is both a student and a teacher. They learn from each other's experiences and knowledge, creating a cohesive learning environment that's rich with diverse perspectives. This not only enhances their individual capabilities, but it also paves the way for collective wisdom. And this leads us to the concept of the wisdom of crowds in AGI. Just like how a group of diverse individuals can often make better decisions than any single expert, the collective intelligence of multiple AGI systems can lead to better decisions and solutions. This is the wisdom of crowds at play in the realm of AGI. The ability of AGI systems to communicate and learn from each other not only enhances their individual capabilities, but also contributes to the collective wisdom that can solve complex problems and drive innovation. As we venture further into the future of AGI, this collaborative learning will play a key role in shaping the symphony of innovations. So, as we continue to explore the potential of AGI and other technologies, let's ensure that they serve the interests of humanity, promoting equality, inclusivity, and sustainable development. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the technology, it's about how we use it to create a better world.